Good morning, sir. My name is Reshma and I am from Computer Science Engineering, second year from CSC B section. So, subject is object-oriented programming through Java, and the topic I got is thread priority synchronization. So, I'm going to explain about it. First is outline. Outline contains the topics I'm going to discuss. So, first is introduction, importance, thread priority, scheduling, synchronization, and conclusion. So, next, introduction to thread priority. Thread priority in Java determines the order in which threads are scheduled for execution. Each thread has a priority value ranging from minimum priority 1 to max priority 10. The default priority value for a thread is norm priority, which is 5, but it can be altered using set priority method. So next is importance of thread priority. However, thread priority management is dependent on the underlying operating system's thread scheduling. So next is setting thread priority. The set priority, which is known as int new priority method also, is used to assign a new priority to a thread. It is crucial to handle illegal argument exception which occurs if an invalid priority is set. Thread priority can also be retrieved using get priority method for monitoring purposes. So next is thread priority levels. Java defines three standard priority levels. First is minimum, second is norm, and third one is max priority. So custom priorities can be assigned within the range 1 to 10, fine-tune thread behavior. Higher priority does not guarantee immediate execution as it relies on thread schedulers implementation. So next is thread scheduling. Java's thread scheduler decides which thread to run based on their priority levels. The scheduler's behavior can vary between different JVM implementations and operating systems. Threads with higher priority will generally receive more CPU time than those having lower priority. So next is synchronization and thread safety. Synchronization is critical when multiple threads access shared resources concurrently. The synchronized keyword in Java ensures that only one thread can be access the resource at a time. So only one thread can access the resource at a single time. So proper synchronization can prevent issues like race conditions even when thread priorities are varied. So next, effects of priority on synchronization. Thread priority can affect the order in which synchronized blocks are executed. Lower priority threads may starve if higher priority threads continuously occupy the resource. Balancing thread priority with synchronization is essential for achieving a responsive application. So next is thread priority and deadlock. Improper handling of thread priorities can lead to deadlocks when waiting threads are of higher priority. A thread with higher or longer priority waiting for a resource held by a lower priority thread can cause a standstill. To mitigate this, design partners that avoid circular wait conditions should be employed. So next is best practices for thread priority. Always assess the necessity of altering thread priorities in your application design. Use thread priorities to avoid unintended starvation or deadlock scenarios. Monitor thread performance and adjust priorities based on empirical observations during. So last is conclusion. So we have discussed about thread synchronization, right? So in threads we have three types of priorities. First is minimum, which is 1, its range. So next is norm priority, its range will be 5, and next will be max priority, its range is 10. So have said previously we can adjust the ranging from 1 to 10. So final is conclusion. Thread priority is a powerful tool for controlling the execution order of threads in Java. So we are going to control the execution order of threads in Java by using this thread priority. So proper synchronization must accompany the use of thread priority to ensure application stability. So understanding both concepts is crucial for developing a efficient and thread safe applications. So thread priority is very useful for controlling the execution of order of threads in Java. So it is my end of PPT. Thank you, sir.